smile, my baby. Girl, you done drive me crazy. Ooh, ooh. Take it easy, yeah. That this you do me. Girl, you gon' kill me, baby.
Hello fam, you're welcome back to my channel once again. Today's video is a detailed natural hair tutorial showing how to slick down 4C natural hair into 2 jumbo braid ponytail. And guys, I have moisturized my hair already, so the only thing I have to do is to part my hair into 2 parts. So this is my X block. It's for hair styling, and when you apply it to the hair and you want to part your hair, it makes you to get your hair so smooth and to get the line straight. That's why I'm applying the X block, to be able to part my hair straight and nice. Now I have to make sure I slick down my hair into sections. This is my Eco Gel. Eco Gel helps you to hold your hair together very well. So I'll make sure I apply the Eco Gel into smaller section. Applying the Eco Gel into smaller section helps your hair to hold, like to come together really well and smooth. So I'm applying to smaller sections and using my hands to rub on it really well. Brushing with my hair to smoothen it up. So I'm using my brush to brush my hair really well to make sure everything is smooth and it has hold really well. And here I'm using my nail brush. Nail brush helps my hair, or help me to be able to brush down my hair really well to make it really smooth as I want it to be. That's why I like using the nail brush. Here I'm taking my edges off because I'll be using it to slick my edges so nicely. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side of my hair, making sure I apply the Eco Gel into sections to help my hair hold well. So over here too, I brush it well. And I'm using my nail brush again to smoothen it well. Take my edges, my baby hair side out. I use my hairband to hold my hair well. So over here I apply some of the X block, which will help to take care of any other hair that is hanging, or I just wanted to smooth my hair down well. So here I pleat the rest of my hair I braid my hair out so that I can use it to round it out. The white things you are seeing in my hair is the moisturizer that I use, or I applied into my hair. That is the white thing you are seeing in my hair, because my hair didn't dry well, it was still moisturized. So you can see how I was able to hold it well. Now I have to do my edges, slicking my edges on my baby hair down well. I use some of the styling gel to apply to it to smoothen it up. Here I'm using my scarf, my silk scarf, to tie it and wait for some minutes whilst I tack down on the other thing that I'll be using for my hair. So I'm using ultra hair. Ultra hair, we use it in braiding our hair. With this, it is not stretched out, so I have to use my hand to stretch it out. So I'm just bringing it out of the package. I got it in one of our cosmetic shops. So I'm cutting it into 2 parts. So I'm stretching it out over here so that it can look good. It can stretch out really well for me to use it to braid my hair. So here I'm stretching it out. I cut it into 2, so this is just one part of the hair that I'm using. I'm mixing it up and combing it out to make it smooth, so that I can use it to braid my hair, to make my hair look so well and beautiful. So after I'm done, I use my rubber band to hold the middle of the hair. So one section is ready. I'm going to do the next section. I did the same way to the next section. That one is ready. So making 2 parts for my ponytail. So I was able to go and do my makeup too. I couldn't show all of those parts. It would make my video to be too long. So here my hair is ready, as you can see. Yes, it's looking so beautiful. So now I use my ultra hair with this rubber band to hold the other side of the pony, as you can see me do here, and I take some parts off. So now I'm coming to braid my hair into jumbo braids. I part it into the 3 sections, and now I braid it up. Let's enjoy the beat at the background whilst I continue braiding to the end. So now the small half that I take apart, I'm using to wrap the under of the hair, as you can see me do here. I'm using to wrap it up. So one side is ready now. Oh wow, you can see how beautiful it's looking already. So I'm coming to do the same thing to the other side of my hair. That one too, I part it into 3 different parts and braid it up. wrap it up as usual, as I did to the other side. Cut off all excess hair on it to make it smooth and to make it look so beautiful. And I am ready. I kept it so simple, no accessories, nothing, just kept it very simple. What do you think, guys? This is easy to make and you can take it anywhere you want to go to. So simple, right? So just leave at the comment section what you think about my 2 ponytails. Thanks to each and every one of you for being here. I am really grateful. If you know you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscription button and give me a thumbs up. Join my family and let's rock this together. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video.